Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown verify account on Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you can enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can click on first stop, so please don't forget to support us.